Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again, and this is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus: which of the following is organ level of organization? Okay, there are various levels of biological organization which include atoms, molecules, cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, whole organisms, populations, communities, ecosystem, and biosphere. Okay, good. So which of the following is organ level of organization? The Volvox species is a multicellular organism. Okay, good. Option B, the Paramecium caudatum is a species of unicellular organism. Okay, good. Option D, Hydra viridis or Hydra viridissima, as it's often called, is an organism that exists as a tissue which performs all the life functions. Okay, good. Then option D, onion bulb. These are organisms that exist as an organ. Alright, we can see that the onion bulb is the organ level of organization. So answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.